you didn't want one that looked like it was technology. You wanted something that looked like a leg, right? So no matter what, so Scott's leg, you can see Scott's leg right now. This is soft foam that's covering up all that technology. Your C leg can be covered by the same soft foam. Majority of the time that you see a cover like this, it's just external to the stuff that you already have. So just because you have a C leg does not mean that you can't have a protective cover. We call it a protective cover with anatomical shaping because insurances hate the word cosmetic.
Well, they won't pay for it if you...
They hate the word cosmetic, so but look, we want it to look cosmetic, right? We want it to be cosmetic, but we stay away from that term. But it has an anatomical shape, right? It's shaped like a leg. And that makes it more medically necessary in their eyes, the fact that we are doing as much that we can to restore the appearance of the leg that was lost. That can be done on a C leg. We do it all the time.